just got to Maker Faire. Let's check it out.
First, our beloved bumper bars. So that whirring you're hearing is the electric motors powering our hydraulic pumps. And that is a face plant. That is a face plant. That's how you walk a mech.
That's pretty crazy. Wow, that's amazing.
Looks like he's going for a record time here, folks. That's about a 3-minute truck walk right there, folks. And testing, proving this machine been. Well, that's a big one, John. Woo!
So I flew into San Jose on Friday, and I was able to go to Maker Faire Saturday and Sunday. It was funny because on Sunday I saw Bob and Evan and Caitlin, and I made them stop and take a picture with me because I wasn't sure if I was going to be there for the talk on Sunday. But I ended up making it for the talk on Sunday, and Laura Kampf was there too. And I had a really good talk with Bob after the talk, and it was really inspiring. And I'm grateful to be able to go to this event, and it was a lot of fun and a lot of cool stuff. I didn't get nearly as much footage as there was cool stuff, but hope you guys enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and until the next one, you guys have a good one.